Hey everyone, get ready for incredibly simple, healthy, and flavorful Mexican-inspired rice that is made with brown rice. This side dish is perfect for practically any meal, such as a burrito or Mexican bowl, just to name a few. But honestly, we also really enjoy just eating it as it is, straight from the pot too. We're starting with the base flavor. Go ahead and finally dice 1 cup of red onion. In a hot pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil and sauté the onion for 3 to 4 minutes until soft. Next, chop about 4 cloves of garlic. Add it to the pan and stir constantly for about a minute or just until it becomes fragrant. Now, pour in 3 cups of brown rice and remember to give it a good rinse first. Stir everything together thoroughly and let the rice toast with the aromatics for about a minute. Now, add all the dry spices: Tex-Mex, cumin, black pepper, salt, turmeric, and smoked paprika. Stir the spices quickly for about a minute. Then, immediately pour in 4 cups of chicken stock. Next, add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. This will introduce a lovely subtle tang and deepen the rice's color. Bring the stock to a boil. Once it's boiling, immediately reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it come to a gentle simmer. Allow the rice to cook for approximately 30 minutes, and you'll know it's done when most of the liquid is absorbed. Gently stir the rice, and to kick up the heat, add a few slices of fresh jalapeno and 1 cup of canned black beans. And we're finished. Remove the pan from the heat. Feel free to squeeze in the juice from half a lime and add in a few slices of cherry tomatoes over the top. Well, that's a wrap on our healthy Mexican brown rice recipe. If you want to see more content like this, smash the like button and be sure to subscribe. And we will see you next time for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes.